Well, one thing for sure, even though I'm nervous about the process, I know that you can't go say you
which is
say,
tell them.
which is no,
Tell them, yes, tell them.
it's height of disrespect.
Schumacher.
No matter what it is. It's what happened to the last man we talk about. The last man we talk about, hi, this is Michael Schumacher. The last man who said that in a car, you know, ain't me up.
He said, how happened?
He said, how happened? And the next man said, me don't know. Oh my gosh.
Oh, God.
That reached the last Michael Schumacher we do about. Well, the last Jamaican Michael Schumacher. I that him this before, right?
Jamaican Michael Schumacher.
Jamaican Michael Schumacher. I'm gonna tell you, Michael Schumacher get up beaten. Boy, I didn't know that, you know, wanting to do braces so that I can have a brighter smile.
Well, a smile that you're pleased with.
Yeah, maybe that would be said for real. No, because a lot of people would know that, I'm not confident when it comes down to smiling. Only you and a few.
know.
Only you and a few people would know that.
I know I can't go chubby again. Because my chubby always smile.
And the worst part about it, like, is when people take pictures, them want to make sure that they're in front of me, like, you know, because, you know, from certain angles, that's when you see the buff. Like from the side.
So I always trouble and say to them, say like,
please? Yeah.
tell them.
No.
Tell them, yes, tell them.
It's height of disrespect.
Tell them no, Mama said we're on profit now. Tell them, man.
Liz, some of my teeth them look like playing about for take off. Tell me say height of disrespect that.
Why?
But I would have said I get that corrected. Well, I start the process.
You know, some savage.
You're terrible, man. You?
Babes, what make you talk it truth? Being around me don't make you grow thick skin. You wouldn't say being around me make you grow thick skin.
You have to. Anybody with there.
Nobody can shame me around.
I'm glad at me. I'm glad at me, because anybody else would have left. You would have left you a long time.
Left?
What do you mean?
But left long time. Right.
They would have left you a long time, man, because you're too straightforward, I guess.
I'm too blunt.
Like you're forward blunt pussy.
But if anybody else see it, then I left. You know, go on, man.
You know,
See it more then.
If I did anybody else, they would have gone a long time, man, but
You don't know that for a fact.
I truly love you. You know what I mean? I know how me pick you out of the bunch.
I always lying.
How me not pick you again?
Romain, don't use my line for me. Don't use my line for me.
Anyways, guys, today I am going to start the process. I don't know how I'll sound or I will look in a few years. I think since 2013 I wanted to start the process of, you know, this whole braces thing, trying to build up the confidence and take away this whole thing with Liz. I tell me some my teeth them look like playing a take off. You see me? And yo, I want the most. Yo, trust me, the abuse is real. I don't like seat.
What?
Braces.
You don't like the braces?
No.
Don't worry, man, it go fit you.
I don't like seat, but I hope.
How about this?
Well, on there, you know, look right. Anyways,
pandemic.
Yeah, the look of it kind of scare me, cause the wires, you know, like if you're not careful, like they can cut your gum. So that is something where scare me first of all, and then you know the main concern back then was how it would affect my speech.
No, say you never concerned about speech. You're singing.
Well, speech and singing. Then singing would have to come
the
right
shows,
after.
Performance.
Sure. Yeah, but then I was worried about
affect your performance.
Then I was worried about how it would affect, you know, how I talk, how I sing on stage, and you know, me just get busy after a while. So we didn't move on with the process. Now is the time. You know what I mean? I guess it's a blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Like the whole corona thing kind of give me time
put
to
things in perspective and to make certain moves that you wouldn't be able to otherwise.
So
and I'm here for it.
Me know she laugh after me for the first few days, you know?
Remember when you did cut your hair side?
Yeah, you can imagine.
Everybody else I say it look nice.
Every little upgrade I'm going with.
Cry.
This is like comedy fellas. Every time I do something, I say, yeah, my wife I gonna love this. It is a comedy
Hey,
feel.
my harsh, you know. My work on me.
Yeah, you have to work by yourself. I agree. You work by yourself. If you be a better wife to your husband, man.
How old is this?
Can't laugh after me every time. Every time, mate.
But you're my friend.
We do something.
And I'm not be a wife when I laugh after you.
The way I be.
You may be a friend.
But friend not laugh after friend.
I mean, who
to
laugh
scan, yo, you laugh
more than my friend?
Please, you laugh after me to scan.
Yeah, but come on, you don't laugh me to scan.
If you never have thick skin, me probably would have.
You grow a thick skin, Romain. You never always have thick skin.
Always have it.
Me no laugh after you and you ball in the early days.
When?
A ball. I say, what kind of ball?
Man, how wicked, man. Me balls?
Yes, you cry.
Jesus, peace. When?
From 2011 to 2013, that's that ball.
Anyways, I did my final visits with my dentist. This is Dr. Chen.
Hi there, folks. I'm going to be looking after Mr. Virgo's pearly whites, and you know that Mr. Virgo loves to smile.
And now I am going to start the braces process. I'm feeling nervous, and I don't know what to expect. I just know I'm nervous.
It's gonna be alright. Just be brave, be strong.
Liz is gonna do hers as well, like when next week, right?
Honestly, I'm waiting to see how. Well, if it affects you too much, then I'll wait until you're good and then I'll do it. But if it's fine, because I don't want the two of us to be in the house in pain, because we have the babies to attend to. Yeah.
Stay tuned to see what will happen. Me know if, as I said, for the first 3 days, Liz gonna laugh after me, but
you'll get to laugh back. Right?
Hopefully, we'll understand everything that is coming out of my mouth when this process happens. Oh.
Yes, Romain. You can't get hot. You drink your water. I love it.
Oh my God, may I pull him out the next day?
Yeah, you're gonna be alright though. I can tell you're nervous, but you got this.
Right, so I'm here at the Orthodontist. I'm feeling so nervous right now. But I'll show you what I can show you. I don't know if I can even bring cameras inside, but we'll see how it goes. Alright. Let's see that we get through. There's a process that you have to go through outside before you go inside. It's Corona time, so just safety precaution. Yep. Oh, I can go? Alright.
And sanitize.
Temperature check, sanitize. Good. Big up. Yeah, so me just do medical test and I'm about to sign away my life right now. This is a contract.
Okay, so you're going to just go through and where we have the asterisk, you will initial.
Alright.
Okay. Actually goes through the financial aspect of it, so you'll initial all of here. Then you'll sign here, I'll sign, and you'll get a copy.
We're ready.
Ready?
Okay.
She's ready, but I am nervous.
And Romain's going to be working with you today.
Okay.
Me. Alright.
Yeah, them something you know. Nerves that kill me, you know. Oh boy. Don't even know where to start. Who is this? Boy. Wow. Me sound normal talking?
Yes.
So far?
So far.
Well, that's good. Thank you so much, Robin.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Hands up.
Yeah. So. Yeah. Think you did it, you know? Okay, so I'm home. Alright? I'm going to show you Lizzie's reaction to my new grill. My prediction is that she's gonna be mean and she's gonna laugh extremely loud. See? So I want you to stay tuned and just see her reaction.
It look good, man. Honestly.
You know how to
Me never. Maybe that look. Honestly, maybe could be disappointed. Because me that hope so me can't even love there. But it me like say you take it like a soldier, like you know, really complain about your mouth and them something.
Yeah.
Well, not much.
Yeah, it's painful, but I'm gonna hold it. So Liz now laugh. Wow, what a surprise!
I
What
want to laugh, but
a surprise!
it's not funny about it. It look good. It look cheap by that time.
You know, feel good though.
It look cheap by that.
Alright.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Also, we have decided to give you what you have been asking for in the DMs and the comments. We've decided to increase our posts to twice a week. Yay! But let's see how it goes. Alright, something to look forward to. Love you guys.